In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front sway bar links on this Ram 2500. No need to remove the wheels for this, they're located right on the front axle. Let's get started. Looking from underneath, you'll see the sway bar links connecting the front axle through this bracket all the way up to the sway bar. It doesn't matter which end you start at. I'm going to start here. I already sprayed it with rust penetrant. This is a 21mm mounting nut. Now it's probably going to spin the whole stud in place, but I'm going to try first. Put my impact on it, and it looks like the socket needs to be hammered on because of the rust. I'm going to wire brush these threads to get some of the rust off. This sway bar link has a cutout for an 18mm wrench over here, so I can hold it while I try to unthread the mounting nut. Perfect, that worked. Put the nut back on a few turns. Looks like there's quite a bit of upwards pressure on it, so I'm just going to move up to the top, disconnect it from the sway bar, and then I will come back here and remove it. I'm going to leave the nut on just so it doesn't fall off. This top mounting nut is an 18mm. Same thing, we'll have to hold that cutout. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on this as well. Take this off. Now you should be able to remove this mounting nut. All right, there's your sway bar link. Inspect the area, make sure everything's good. Clean it off if needed. Install the new sway bar link. I'm going to start with putting it up onto the sway bar, and I'm going to put the mounting nut on, of course not tight yet, just loosely. And then I'm going to have to pry this up so I can get this in here, but I just wanted to mention I do like to put anti-seize on the shaft, the stud of the sway bar links. That way it doesn't seize on there in the future. Both top and bottom have locking nuts, so that shouldn't be an issue. If you can push the stud of this sway bar link up like that, you should have it close to being inside the mounting bracket. And then very, very carefully, you can try to pry up on it. Push it through. Try not to damage the boot in doing so. There we go. Take a rubber mallet, gently tap it in. Perfect. Now install the mounting nut on the bottom. This is a 21mm nut still. Let's tighten that up. The torque on this lower mounting nut is 110 foot-pounds. That's it. The top is still 18mm in size. Snug it up. The torque on this is 60 foot-pounds. There you go, and now do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.